Have you ever experienced a breakthrough?
Have you ever experienced a moment of uplift?
Have you ever experienced an awakening?
Like a great piece of music, an emotional film, or stunning choreography, a great yoga class has the potential to take you on a transformational journey.
Hi, I'm Travis Elliott.
And I'm Lauren Ekstrom.
And welcome to the Advanced Yoga Sequencing Training.
In this comprehensive course, we're going to teach you our special formula for how to create yoga classes that are uplifting, inspiring, and powerful.
This formula has been the genesis to create classes and programs that have helped people all around the world awaken their potential.
Whether you're looking to learn how to more effectively sequence a yoga class, or how to enhance your classes with the holistic elements of pranayama, meditation, philosophy, and subtle anatomy in a thematic way, there is something for every passionate student of yoga in this course.
Get ready to learn, get ready to practice, and take your teaching to the next level.